Number 1. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Number 2. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Number 3. Your world and everything in it is a reflection of your own mental attitude toward yourself. Number 4. Successful people are not people without problems. They are people who have learned to solve their problems. Number 5. Watch what everyone else does, do the opposite. The majority is always wrong. Number 6. A great attitude is not the result of success, success is the result of a great attitude. Number 7. Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all.